Trying to figure out where I am in all this picture. Okay, I think I figured it out. We don't have anything right now. Here it is. 12x is equal to negative 2x squared plus 32. We want to solve this quadratic equation, but let's first put it in standard form. Is this a quadratic equation? Well, let's put it in standard form and we'll talk about it. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead, and because this is a negative 2 in front of x squared, I'm going to take that over to the left. In other words, I'm going to add both 2x squareds to both sides of the equation. So let's just do that. So 2x squared, and also let's take this over to the left also. So we're going to subtract 32 from both sides. But I guess first what I need to do is go ahead and rewrite this 12x minus 32 is equal to 0. It's just a whole lot better dealing with this leading term over here when it's positive. That's the whole reason for that. All right, let's take a look. We know that 2 goes into 12 and it goes into 32. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to factor that 2 out. So let's do it. And I guess, well, these are all technically equal, but I won't write an equal sign there. Let's we factor that out. So we're left with an x squared plus, factor 2 out of 12, we're left with 6x minus, and 2 goes into 32 16 times. So we're setting all that equal to 0. Don't want to scroll up the screen too much so you can't see what's going on there. And then I hate to have to write real close together on top of all that. Let's just get that out of there. 2 times. Now, what do we got going on here? We got a 16. Two numbers multiplied together gives us negative 16, so one of them is going to have to be negative. And then when we add them, we get 6. What about, let's go ahead and write what we know here. What about 8 and 2? We know that 8 minus 2 is 6, right? 6, 7, 8, yeah. 8 and 2. Because 6 is positive, we'll make 8 positive, and we'll throw a minus in there in front of 2. Yep, I believe that's it. Now what we want to do, don't worry about this 2 out here. Because when we multiply both sides by a half to this equation, the 2 just disappears. How do you like that? Let's go ahead now and set each one of our factors equal to 0. Okay, so that's going to be one of them. And then we have x minus 2. We set that equal to 0 also. Solving for the one on the left, we just subtract 8 from both sides, and we're left with 8. X is equal to 8. X is equal to negative 8. I think I was ever going to get that out. And then the one on the right here, x will be equal to 2, right? We plug negative 8 in here for x, we get 0. Negative 8 plus 8, we get 0. So it looks like our solution set consists of negative 8 and 2. Okay, so those are our solutions to this quadratic equation. And you can always plug it in, and the left-hand side should equal to the right-hand side. We got time for another one? Yeah, let's do this one here. X squared plus 2x is equal to 0. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and factor an x out. See that? Set each one of our factors equal to 0, so we'll set the first one equal to 0, and then x plus 2, set that equal to 0. Well, this one here is pretty easy. It's already done, right? It's solved for us. X is equal to 0. And then this other one, after solving for x, you get x equal to -2. So it looks like our solution set is 0 and -2. 0, -2. Okay? Where can I write that? I've run out of room. 0, I can't scroll the screen down any further. So that's our solution set, 0, -2. If you come up here, you plug 0 in, you get 0 squared plus 2 times 0, 0. So you get 0 is equal to 0. Then you can take -2 and plug it in, -2 squared plus 2 times -2. And what do we get? We get 4, and 4 plus 2 times, which is -4. So 4 minus 4, that's 0 also. Okay, so that works out. Those are our solutions. All right, I think I'm going to end this video right here. You can come on over to the website where everything's nice and organized, and I've got practice problems for you to work, because you got to practice this stuff. See you in the next video.